Alright, in this video I pretty much will explain about natural cleaning solutions, and this is one of them. This is pretty much not the only one, but the only one that I'll do in this video for now. But this one has vinegar and tea tree oil. Usually you could just put maybe half of this and then use the vinegar and just mix in. That's your cleaning solution. But I went, one step above that. I used the tea tree oil and vinegar, as this is kind of a antibacterial solution. You can use this on if you have kind of a infection with fungus in your nails. That help, and then it also helps for dandruff, and then there's all sorts of things. But I just use vinegar and tea tree oil as a cleaning solution for countertops, toilet bowls, sinks, and if you need something a little more aggressive, I would probably use, for instance, if it's for a bathtub, I would probably use a lot more vinegar and baking soda and borax. Those are 3 solutions that you can use instead of using any kind of soap. You could probably add Dr. Bronner soap if you wanted to, but in the meantime, I have these 2 right here, and these work really well if you just need to spray the surface, wipe it clean, and you're good to go. But I add the tea tree. I kind of like the smell of the tea tree oil instead of just having your kitchen or your room smell like vinegar. But anyways, I'll probably do another video on other natural solutions. But next time, see you around on YouTube. Bye. Thanks for watching.